Who started recording?
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah? Oh, I have a rifle. Need more.
Straight ahead. Mikey, go left! Mikey, watch the left! Sorry, Steve! Loading!
So we got 12 o'clock. One on the right. You got him?
Did I?
I don't know, I shot at him too.
Let's go. Alright! Good. Watch that left side over there. That's flanking.
Still one on the left.
Hey guys, check your left over there.
Do we need the middle building? Mm-hmm. All right.
All the way down. Left side of the door. Right behind you.
Oh, I forgot my gloves. Yeah?
You know you can shoot out of here with your M4.
Yeah, can?
Yeah.
Two guys.
You can shoot out of the
Can I shoot with my gun out?
Shoot. Cock it again.
It's out. It's out.
Do you have another mag?
Nope.
Just use your M4.
Can I?
Hit!
I can't use my M4. What the hell? My gun's not firing. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, guys.
Christian. Watch out, I'm in the middle.
There's someone in the building. Oh, I could have gotten it. I need my pistol.
Where'd you leave your pistol?
No, I didn't leave it. It's out.
It's hard to see in there. Yeah, it is. There's guys in the middle building. There's guys off to the right.
He's off to the right.
Hey, watch that.
I see some.
Now my gun
Either of
shoot.
you guys got pistols?
Got him. Nah, I got him. Okay. A little more. Hop up. Alright, I got the guy on our left. Got the guy on our, there's another one. There's another one.
Either of you two got a pistol?
Mine's out of ammo.
I've gotten people all to the sides.
Here, you cover 1 sec.
Where you going?
We gotta charge middle building.
Okay.
Alright, there's 2 guys in it right now.
I'll keep outside covered. Got him, got him, got another, got another.
Reloading.
See another one. There's 2 guys over here. Got another, got another. Got another. I got 3 off the left.
Way down there.
Trade spots.
Remember, you cannot engage.
I see a guy.
Crossing. Down that way.
Yeah, they're still down
I
there.
got a couple.
You keep respawning, running way out and coming in.
I need to trade.
There's more, there's one over.
I need to trade.
Reloading. I have 2 mags left. 2 successful mags, hopefully. Do we hold the middle house? Hey, do we hold the middle?
I'm not that tall.
Do we have the middle house? Is it ours or is it theirs?
It's there.
It's theirs? Shoot.
Leave one, that one.
Someone on the... Who?
I think that's the guy with the saw. See those 4 barrels?
Yeah, he's over there. You ready? When next time he pops up,
3 to 4 barrels.
just when he comes out, we all open fire, okay? We all open fire when he... He got him.
Yeah.
We got him. Nice, dude.
Thanks, guys.
It's teamwork.
And that's
Okay,
what
yeah,
we
we
call
won.
awesome here.
Yeah. He's over there.
That's the problem between being in the objective and the spot. That was a good push there. That was a really good push.
Call out if he's
Guys, bring someone in the house. We need someone in the house. We need someone in the house, guys. Come on. Does the clock restart if someone leaves?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. All right, we gotta stay alive,
I'll
okay?
start again. Take pass control. Not take pass control. Not take pass control.
I don't have gas.
We have no gas to shoot. I don't either.
Who's got my rifle? I can shoot from there.
Yeah, we can shoot out. Just make sure they don't enter the compound.
Yeah.
That's all we need.
Engage with rifle.
I see him, I see him.
Come on, get your back.
One sec. See, don't waste your ammo until he pops. Wait till he pops all the way out. They're just gonna waste ammo. I only have one mag left after this.
He's
So.
not gonna pop
Say
all the way out. He
reloading.
knows.
Say
Just let him,
reloading.
just-
He'll think we're reloading.
No, it doesn't matter. We can't shout it. He won't hear us. It's gonna be hard to hit his elbow. Sweet, nice, dude.
We won.
We won.